Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can add devices to your Disney Plus. So if you want to add devices and add more users to your Disney Plus, what you can do is you can simply share your email and password. So in order to do that, you can go to the top right corner and go to account. You can go to manage with My Disney. And right here you can copy the email and your password and share it with whomever you want to be logged in on your Disney Plus as a new user. So when you share it and when they are going to log in, they are going to show up in your devices. So if you go to manage devices, so once they have logged in, their device will be showing up right here next to it. So as many users are going to join, these are going to show up more of these tabs right here. So this is how you can add devices to your Disney Plus. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.